snack game with millet goodness. Namaste and welcome to Discovering Together. I'm Farheen and today let's discover Browntop Millet Noodles, a nutritious and flavorful 5-minute snack. Made from wholesome browntop millet, these noodles are a delightful blend of taste and health, making them a perfect choice as a nutritious snack on a rainy evening. I'm Farheen. I'll catch you next Wednesday and we shall continue discovering together.